Conquering the GRE Quantitative Mixed Practice Sets. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most challenging sections of the GRE Quantitative Reasoning, the mixed practice sets. These sets combine a variety of quantitative skills, testing your adaptability and understanding. Let's get started and unravel the mystery behind these intriguing sets. Mixed practice sets in the GRE Quantitative Reasoning section are designed to evaluate your overall quantitative skills. Instead of focusing on one particular type of problem, like algebra or geometry, these sets will mix them all together. This mirrors real-world scenarios where you often have to use multiple skills to solve a problem. There are a few concepts you absolutely need to grasp to excel in these sets. 1. Basic arithmetic. This includes operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. 2. Algebra. Understand how to solve linear equations, quadratic equations, and the manipulation of algebraic expressions. 3. Geometry. This encompasses concepts like areas, volumes, angles, and the properties of various shapes. 4. Data analysis. Familiarize yourself with statistics, standard deviation, interquartile range, and graphs. The beauty of mixed practice sets is that they might combine any of these concepts into a single question. For instance, you might need to use algebra to solve a part of a problem and then apply your knowledge of geometry to solve the rest. 1. Stay calm. The diversity of questions can be intimidating, but remember that with practice, you'll become familiar with the types of questions and how to approach them. 2. Break down the problem. Before diving into solving, understand what the question is really asking. Sometimes, dividing a complex problem into smaller, manageable bits can make it much simpler. 3. Time management. With the mixed nature of the questions, it's crucial to not spend too much time on a single problem. If a question seems too challenging, move on and come back to it if you have time left. 4. Practice, practice, practice. Like any skill, the more you practice mixed sets, the more comfortable you'll become. Over time, you'll develop an instinct for how to approach different types of questions. 1. Not reading the question properly. Ensure that you understand what's being asked. Missing a detail can lead to a wrong answer even if your calculations are correct. 2. Overcomplicating solutions. Sometimes, the easiest way to solve a problem is the best. Look for shortcuts and avoid lengthy calculations whenever possible. 3. Misusing the calculator. While calculators can be handy, don't become overly reliant on them. Ensure you know how to perform basic operations without one, as this can save you time. Tackling the GRE Quantitative Mixed Practice Sets might seem daunting at first, but with a solid understanding of the key concepts, a few handy strategies, and plenty of practice, you'll be well on your way to mastering them. Remember, every challenge you face in preparation is an opportunity to learn and grow. We hope this video was insightful and aids you in your GRE preparation journey. All the best!